Hi guys, Down Under Monkey. I just finished unboxing and packing away all of this stuff that I got from my buddy Nick, and I figured why not do a pick of some of my new stuff. So I'm going to give this a go. Effectively straight out of the packet. Obviously I opened it once to get it out, but I haven't tried to pick it yet. So I can hear people going, no, don't do an out of the packet pick, it won't work. Well, I like to live dangerously, so let's give it a go. I have not picked a Paclock, let alone many locks out of the packet. So maybe I'll end up with a fail video. You can see that still works. It really is a nice lock and bitting. Not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That says 5. So it's pinned to 5. Probably has room for 6 because the packet actually says 6 pin. That's what I was just reading, and I might have sounded a bit confused then because packet said 6, key says 5. Anyway, here we go. Essentially an out of the packet pick. You definitely feel like serrated. Most definitely. The little tiny clicks you get. I'm still so chuffed with that package I got. So much cool stuff in there. Anyway, enough bragging. 5 feels a bit sticky. I feel like, ugh, that sounded horrible. Like I really overset that pin. Yeah, she's gone soft. So let me just reset and try this again. Make sure the tension bar is not hanging up on number 1. Pretty good there. Good. Okay. Back up here looking for binders. Definitely feels like 3 is giving me an issue. Okay, so they feel alright. Maybe a spool in 4 because I'm giving me a little bit of counter rotation. This is really a tricky lock. Not that there's anything wrong with it, it's just something fell down. Okay, so there's a false set. beautiful. Love my false sets because the lock does all the talking now. I feel like I'm hung up on one. And there we go. Out of the packet, essentially, it's the Paclock 100A picked. Now to get a pinning tray. I honestly didn't expect to get that open. Keep that in frame. I was totally expecting a fail video. So that's pretty good. Any result that's not a fail is good by me. Just tell me I'm not going to have a bit deep enough to get down there. Oh, that's a fucking Torx bit. No wonder that didn't work. Oh man. Actually, that little screwdriver keyless entry gave me has a whole bunch of bits hidden in the back. Not that. Not that. Oh man, really? Right. That's interesting. I'm going to pause this and find an Allen key. Just 1 second. Okay, evidently I found something that will work. So, let's get this thing apart and see what's in it. This is an awesome little screwdriver keyless. Thank you so much, keyless entry. Fantastic. It's just nice and handy. Sits on the bench. Okay, so oh come on, get up. Get this retainer out. Come on. Oops, a daisy. I don't want to lose anything. And here we have that. Slide that out. Nice. Okay, it's really light aluminium. Obviously, a little greasy, the core, but that's all right. Let's get something. I wonder if this tool will work. Sort of just misses on this. Yeah. Lock that back up. And there's the key. Circlip. Because I do have a key for it, I'll do that. I'm probably going to shim this, but it most likely takes the same follower that I put up inside of an American lock. And the shim may not fit with that particular follower because it is quite tight. Let's try the non-screwed up end of it. Not beauty, went through with it. Alrighty. And there's your core, plug, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I might get the smaller pinning tray so these don't rock around so much when I drop them in there. This is actually my new one. My mate Tristan was watching me use this one, and he thought that the pin holders were very shallow, and they're not rounded at the bottom, so the pins were sort of like rocking around in there. So he just printed me another one and just sent it down to me, and it's stuff like that that makes this community so awesome. And Tristan's a really good picker. Really good printer. So these ones have a little bevel at the bottom for the pins to sit in. So, oh, geez. Good start. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, cool. 6 pins, but I thought it was only pinned to 5. I must have missed something on the key. Was I saying things? Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I forgot to count that. Jesus. Alright, let's find out what was in here. I know there was a spool of some description. So first one is serrated. Second one is a that just looks like a spool, but got a weird shape on it. I'll show you that in a second. 3 was a serrated. 4 popped out the end and appears to be a spool. Slide that through. 6 is a standard. And 5 is a serrated. And the tiny little springs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was talking to my buddy Nick, who got all this for me, the locks. He said, why don't you do the Paclock straight out of the packet? And challenge accepted. There we go. Try and get a bit of a... They're really nice, shiny looking pins, but if you look at the spool, like I was talking about a second ago, it's a different shape. Sorry, my hands are screwed up at the moment, so I'm trying to find something to put this against. It's got a weird little rounded chamfered section. If I hold that there, I can point at it with my pick. Just there, the little chamfered section. And the very bottom of the key, the driver pin is actually rounded. The bit that faces the key pin is rounded. Well, so that's sort of like a, don't know if that helps security or makes it worse. But anyway, and let's have a look at one of these spools. Bloody spools, serrated. I'm all over the place tonight. Again, you can see the very slight rounding on this edge of the pin. It's very slightly rounded. That's interesting. And there was a serrated key pin there as well. In number 4. And a weird little notch out of that pin. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's not from my picking. That's like a deformation, or maybe it's meant to be that way. Anyway, there you have it. Paclock 100A. Picked out of the packet on the first try. Thanks for watching. If anyone's got any challenges, let me know. Out of the stuff that I got, not some weird thing like Pick a Protect 2. Yeah, have a good night. Thanks for watching.